In today's video, we're going to be walking through you how to make ozone water with our Hydra-Home Unit. So as you notice here, we have it hooked up with a standard faucet that comes with it. We do have the pre-filters in place here. So you're going to notice the hydrogen water. We have another video we just made for you on how to use the different buttons, what they mean. Now we're going to go over to the ozone water. So ozone water is great for cleaning and sanitizing. So what I love it for is doing laundry. I'll use 1 to 2 gallons per load. Maybe just a little laundry soap for those of you that love the smell of laundry soap. Or you can just use a little essential oil if you prefer to get rid of soap completely. Because that sodium lithyl sulfate that sits on your clothes goes in your skin. It's really toxic for you. So you definitely get rid of laundry soap if you can. You can also use it to wash fruits and vegetables. There's research out there that using ozone water to go on top of your strawberries or blueberries or anything, it actually dismantles the pesticide. So it makes it harmless for us. It takes a free radical and neutralizes that free radical so it doesn't harm us. So definitely soak all your fruits and vegetables, anything you're gonna eat, even your meat you can do in the ozone water too. And then some people do brushing of their teeth with ozone. Some people use it on their skin. If you have acne or eczema or psoriasis, ozone water is really great for your skin. So there's so many different uses for it. But I wanna show you just by turning it on here, a good flow rate. You want to be at about a 1.2 flow rate here. And I love the music. It's just so calming. So we have our filter life over here. We have our pH, so you'll notice it's a little bit on the acidic side for ozone. The ORP here is a positive number because this is oxidizing water. It's not an antioxidant, so that's why you see that. And then it still does have parts per billion here, and this is of ozone. So now we're looking at ozone, parts per billion, 665 parts per billion. And then so we want to turn it down just a little bit here. You'll see about a 1.2 flow rate. There we are. So notice we got 710 now. So 1.1, 1.2 is perfect. If you smell it, it'll smell like ozone. Ozone's not a drinking water. There's research out there. I found online, you can research it yourself, where people are using it for different applications inside the human body, but we don't recommend that here at Healthy Hydration, so do your own research there. And then we will have another video coming out here shortly that talks about the cleaning and the heating and the purified water.